katonda byayagala okuwa, waliwo katonda kyayagala okufuula, waliwo level kwayagala okutwala. Start to rise. Katonda kyakuyisa okukola.
What does the Lord assign you?
Ogenda okuyamba abo abatudde mu nzikiza.
You're going to help those people in darkness.
Obagambe muveeyo.
Tell them that they come forth.
Mukama ng'akozesa gwe.
The Lord is going to use you.
Ogenda bawa ebyokwambala. Bajja kwambala because of you.
They will dress up because of you.
Bajja kwesiga ebizigo because of you.
They will shine because of you.
Bawulwa abagenda okusoma because of you.
They are going to go to education because of you.
Abagenda okwambala engoye because of you.
They are going to dress because of you.
Abagenda okuvuga emmotoka because of you.
They are going to drive because of you.
Ogenda kukola nga promoter waabwe.
You shall work as their promoter.
Ogenda kubeera nga manager.
You shall be their manager.
You're going
to introduce them. You shall bring them forth and make them into light, that they will be seen. And they will say that if it was not you, the world had buried them. Hear what is going to happen.
Those people that you are going to lift,
those people,
the people that you are going to make, those people that you are going to model, those that you are going to lift, they shall feed in the ways.